Hi everybody, Cali Rose here. We're learning the song Better Times Will Come in all my ukulele classes. And this song was written by Janice Ian, a beloved singer-songwriter. She wrote it in 2020 when she lost one of her dear, dear friends, also a beloved singer-songwriter, John Prine. He passed away from COVID. And she was understandably bereft, but songwriters, we take our feelings and we weave them into a song, and that's how this song was born. And she shared it almost immediately with her singer-songwriter friends and said, "Here, record this, make it your own, let's share it." And it grew into a project called the Better Things Will Come Project on her website. And musicians from around the world have downloaded the sheet music that she provides, which is very, very generous of her, and have made this song their own. And that's what we're going to do. I did an arrangement for the ukulele in the key of G, and then at the end we modulate to the key of A, and there's also a passage where we're going to clap and sing a cappella. And after this play and sing along version, I'll just show you a few of the strum patterns that I'm using. This is a rock gospel feel. We're going at 85 beats per minute, which is what she recommends in her sheet music. The starting note is a B. Better times. A 1, 2, 3. Better times. Better times will come. Better times. Better times will come. When this world learns to live as one, oh, better times will come. Better times will come. Better times will come. When this world learns to live as one, oh, better times will come. When we greet each dawn without fear, knowing loved ones soon will be near. When the winds of war cannot blow anymore, oh, better times will come. Better times will come. Better times will come. When this world learns to live as one, oh, better times will come. Though we live each day as our last, we know someday soon it will pass. We will dance, we will sing in that never-ending spring. Oh, better times will come. Better times will come. Better times will come. When this world learns to live as one, oh, better times will come. Better times will come. Better times will come. When this world learns to live as one, oh, better times will come. Oh, better times will come. Janice Ian has on her website this great quote: "Music's not about perfection. It's about getting through the hard times and celebrating the good." So again, Janice, thank you so much for writing this song and sharing it with us. And these are some of the strum patterns that I'm using. Might give you some ideas. If you're just starting off on the ukulele, you can just go down back to the very beginning and just strum down on each beat in the measure, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got an egg here, and I'm cupping it so that when I come down, it's my fingernails that are catching the strings. And for me, I keep my thumb also cupping the egg. I don't want it doing little floaty things here, like so. I'm holding the egg and doing this. So we would just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Then we can add a little energy, and on each beat, do a downward and an upward strum. And when I come up, I'm just bringing my index finger out from where I'm cupping it. I'm just bringing it out a little bit, coming up with the flesh part of the finger. So it would look like this: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. On your own, you probably will need to slow this down a little bit. You want to get it right slowly before picking up speed. We can also do a boom chukka, what I call a boom chukka. We have a measure, 1, 2, 3, 4 beats. The first beat is a down. Second beat is a down up. Third beat is a down. Fourth beat is a down up. So it looks like this: down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So let's try it with the drum. 1, 2, 3, 4, down. Just making a G with my left hand. Finally, I want to show you an idea of the boom chukka, because boom chukka, 3 things that we're going to actually do on each beat. So it's adding a lot of energy to the strum pattern. It almost feels like we're singing and playing the song faster, but we're not. We're staying here. In this case, we're at 70 beats per minute. Looks like this. So I'm doing boom chukka on each beat. Now, we want to have some sense of spaciousness in this strum pattern. So the first part of the boom chukka, the boom part, I am flicking the G string. Find the verb that works for you. Flick works for me. Touch, tap, graze. And it's more like a flick with my fingers. It's not like so much a strum, so much as a flick. And I've worked on this so that, and this part of my thumb is resting against the wood of the ukulele at first, because I'm grounding so I can get that bass sound. I have a low G, so tuning, so it works really well in this case. And if you look at this, you see how I'm flicking up. You might need to work on this hundreds and hundreds of times, just this part, this element in the whole picture of this boom chukka, so that you're getting that G and you're not getting other strings. So that'd be boom chukka, and the chukka is a down up, and I'm really kind of flicking, not so much elbow movement as finger movement. My fingers are going scary. And we do it on each beat. Let's try it really slowly. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it with the drum. 3, 4. 4, up, down. All right. Let's mix and match. Down, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, a regular boom chukka. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, now boom chuck on each beat. I think it's really neat to mix and match these strum patterns in a song. So we want to work on making a smooth transition from these different techniques. Oh, while we're singing at the same time. All I know is when I'm done, I get a cookie. So listen, thank you for watching. Happy strumming, and especially thank you, Janice, for being so generous with your music. We so appreciate it.